It's me, Carl Guresma, and we are going today, me and my sister, Patis, Joke, Reese, Q&A, the first Q&A of my channel. And I know my new video of stick animation really sucks right now. Tayo, naglalaro kaming Q&A. Yeah, host. Okay, and we're back. Sorry for the interruption earlier, and ako muna
Tumahay ka na naman, ayos ka.
He embarrassed you. He embarrassed you.
Yeah, host.
No.
Host.
No.
I-delete mo na.
Okay, first person that likes to fail or that likes to be lazy.
Like to be lazy.
Okay.
No. Reese. Close up.
Who do you like the most as a friend? Kuya JM or Kuya JC?
Easy, JC. Dahil kasi si JM ay nakakainis.
Very good. That's what I like.
Ano yun na? Crumble mo, tsaka ilagay mo dito. Go,
I
ilagay
like
mo.
the paper.
Sige. Okay, who do you like at school? Ano, parang hindi, parang kahit hindi naman lalaki, parang
As a friend.
parang
As a best friend. Best friend ko.
as a friend lang, parang as a
Wait!
friend.
Best friend.
As a friend. Hindi niya kasi kami masusundo.
Don't have any nights.
Oo nga, Reese.
Athena, Tigara.
Gusto ba yung piano?
Oo, may pangalan doon.
Okay.
What's the full name of the muse in Israel?
Okay. Johnny Tuga. Okay.
What's the spelling?
Bawal.
T-U-G-A. Tuga.
Hindi. T-U nakalimutan ba? A-S. Okay. Am I your great brother or an excellent brother? Bawal neither.
Excellent brother.
Yeah, I'm an excellent bro.
Reese, meaning ng pagka-grade parang ano lang. Pagka-excellent talagang pinakamataas yung grade. Parang
Who's your
sakto-sakto lang.
enemy?
Kalimutan ko na eh. Marami kasi.
Brr.
Si,
Brr.
si,
Zoom, 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 zoom. Ton, ton, ton.
anti-internet.
Ton, ton, ton.
Kung walang internet, nakakainis. No internet, no life.
Kuya.
Okay. Am I cool or am I awesome? No. Bawal ulit dito. Hey. You hear that, YouTube? I'm awesome.
Tado ka, nagbibideo ka lang muna lang.
Dalawa kasi, ano?
Isa lang.
Ano?
Oo.
Nakakuta lang ka, ano?
Sige, dalawa yun, si JC at si Linus. My last question. Do you wanna date a guy when you're 14 or when you're 18 plus? Okay, 18 plus.
Ton, ton, ton.
Okay, dito. Yeah, 18 plus, yeah. Last year, dalawa kasi, math at elective. Ngayon, isip ko, elective dahil through English na kami. Okay. Yun na ang, ano namin,
English.
shut up.
Oh, and there's one more question.
Hindi.
Give me 7 consonants.
No. I said only 5 questions.
Australia, America. South
Okay,
America.
okay. Na.
Australia, Antarctica, Africa, Europe,
Ton, ton, ton.
South
Pia, lapit mo nga yung camera sa kanya.
Ay, hindi naka-zoom.
Hindi na talagang... Boom.
Nakikita nga kayong dalawa eh.
The Pillow Wars. Okay. Iya. Iya, ano yun muna sa amin?
Hey, you!
Iya.
Sabi
Okay.
ko,
Okay, that's going to be the Q&A, and now for the pillow fight. Winner. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video. Okay, and there you have it, the Q&A of Carl Quaresma with his little sis, Patis or Clarice. And shush. And please subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, leave a like. And thank you very much. Oh, and I'm being 14 at the August 26. At August 26, Philippine time. But tonight is just raining at the Philippines. I don't know why. So, I bid you guys adieu and subscribe. Because I only have 5 subscribers that I love so much. And thank you for subscribing. And